once you are done with that, you use your black crown or black marker, and you just color your face in. So I'm going to do that. And so yeah. So my sister, like, I already did this, so I was practicing. So yeah, but what I did, I was just drawing my eyes with a pencil, and then you just trace over your lines that you made with a black marker or crown. I suggest using a black marker, okay? But if you don't have a black marker, just use a black crown. And then get your pencil and like draw your hair. But if you don't want hair and you just want to be a unicorn, draw a unicorn horn. So yeah, just draw whatever you want on this thing. It's not me that's choosing, it's you, okay? You. So let's go. Okay, I have drawn some hair, but I can't really see it because, you know, it's pencil, so you can't really see it. And then, whatever colors you're using for your hair, you will use that and outline it with those colors. So yeah, let's do it. And I'm getting tired of that noise. And we'll change it right now. Right now. What about Star Wars? I love Star Wars. Then start coloring it in. Yep. Again. I love it. That's on my keypad. So, now we're going to do, let's see. Oh, how pretty. That's my sister, and she is trying to do it too. How many of y'all like whip Nene? Yeah. Whip. Okay. I don't care if it whip Nana. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. Now, just keep on coloring it. See what I did? Remember where I just traced it all around the hair? Well, now you just trace it with your desired look. So yeah. How many of y'all like Darth Vader? Okay. So, beautiful. Now, yeah. This is so cool. That's crazy. Don't like it. What about we do crazy chicken. That'd be hilarious. I said hilarious. Done. It's beautiful, right? It's so pretty. Now, so you're gonna use your next color, or if you're done, then happy day to you. So yeah. This is great. I want to do crazy chicken again. It's hilarious. I love it. Yeah. Now let's see. How about peanuts? I love the peanuts. Try to color crazy. Crazy like you're crazy. Yeah. Just keep him. Come on. Yeah. Don't listen to him. Yeah. Put that on. Put that music on. This video is now rated craziness. Just because we're trying to do crazy stuff. No, we're not. Okay, we're done with sound effects. So yeah. Now I am done. So this is my face puppet. Hope you like the DIY. Yeah, so bye. Hope you have a good day or night, whatever you're watching at. Yeah, so bye.